everybody, welcome back to my channel, The Hot Years. I'm Rochelle, and if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel if you like doing beaded jewelry. I also do videos on other things such as beauty videos on makeup, skincare for women in their menopausal years, which is what I am. I'm 59 years old and I am postmenopausal. And I have a few passions, which, I've always been a hair and makeup artist all my life. So I wanted to kind of combine that with my other passion, which is making jewelry. So I'm kind of trying to combine that on my channel. It looks like my beaded videos might be a little more popular than my beauty videos, but it's kind of tough getting started on the beauty videos due to the fact that they're very time consuming for me, and this is much easier. I don't have to get full face makeup and hair and all that stuff going on, and doing the beaded videos I can just pull them out and show you what I'm doing. And so that's what I'm doing today. So this week's video is on a Hobby Lobby haul. It's just a little small haul I did because they had 50% off. So, and it's kind of far from where I live, but I wanted to venture out, and so I went up there. Something kept telling me to go up there. So they didn't actually have any beads that I wanted. Nothing in beads. I was looking for bicones in particular, 4mm bicones. I didn't see any of those, or any other kind of beads that I like to use. But they did have a lot of other stuff that I like, and this is one of them. Now, I hope you can see this. This is a hoop earring, okay, and it's iridescent. Like, look, I hope you can see that. Let me try to come in a little further. Look at that. Can you see that? It's like shades of purple and green. This is, look at that. How awesome is this? Now, I've never really seen these before. So that's why, and it was half off. And there's the price. Everything was 50% off. So, I just got one of these. So, but that is so cool. I love these. So that's that. And then I got these. Look at these. Get that in focus. Isn't that something? Look at that. I have no idea what I'm going to do with this. Come out a little bit. There you go. But look at that. It's nice and heavy. Really nice quality. So, and again, it was all half off. And I found these little cute turtles. Look at this. Isn't that cute? And again, these are all iridescent shades of purple and green. These are little charms. And I've just recently gotten into making charm bracelets. And I really like doing them. They're very quick and they're fun to do. Let's see if I can zoom in a little so you can really see that. So yeah, if you have a Hobby Lobby around you, go get yourself some. 50% off. Look at this. I have to zoom out. Look at this. This is an extendable bracelet. And again, it has that iridescent color. So you just, get some jump rings. Couldn't think of it. Jump rings, and get some charms and put it right on there. But they only had one of these. I wish they would have had more. I would have gotten so many, especially at 50% off. But look at that. Okay, and then here are the jump rings. I've never seen iridescent jump rings before. I mean, look at this. I didn't want to take them out of the bag until I actually start using them, but I think you can see. I'll try to zoom in a little bit better. Look at that. I have never seen these before anywhere. And they were 3 different sizes. So I just got 1 bag of these, 1 pack of these. Okay, and then they had these little charms here. Again, 50% off. How cute is that? Isn't that adorable? It has little crystals in it. So I think I believe I got 2 of those. And then I just love these. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? I have no idea what I'm going to do with this. I might just put, you know, earring wire on there and call it an earring because it's just so gorgeous the way it is. Look at that. I should have got more than 1 of these. That is just so gorgeous. Just stunning. And then they had these chains, which you use to make charm bracelets. Let me see if I can set this down so you can see a little better. And again, it's the multicolor iridescent. Isn't that cute? Try to zoom in a little bit. Work with my light here. There we go. Kind of see. Look at that. I just love it. I've never seen these anywhere either. Just absolutely love this. And again, it's at Hobby Lobby. And I just went there this week. We're still in like the first week of August 2021. I got 2 of those. And I found these charms there. These butterfly crystal charms. And these are also 50% off. It's cute. And that's it for my Hobby Lobby haul. I just received these in the mail from Amazon. I can get it open. I love these. Making a lot of bracelets like this. My Russian spiral bracelet. Let me zoom out so you can see. Isn't that gorgeous? So, when I'm making a darker one like this, I had a request for a darker one. Okay, but she wanted a magnetic hook on it, so that's why I had to order these from Amazon, because they have some that will match really nice with this. Okay, and I like this because you get some gold ones, and you get the gold, and it's a really strong magnet. It holds really well. And I got some silver. I got some light silver, and I got some dark silver. Okay, and I got, these are more grayish black. Well, I can't tell. Looks like kind of grayish black and some bronze there. But they are gorgeous. And I don't have trouble with the stones falling out either, so that's a plus. So that's it. That's what I've been doing in this video. So if you find my content helpful, please, oops, I'll put that out of focus. Please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Zoom out a little bit so you can see here. And yeah, go to Hobby Lobby, get yourself some of this iridescent fun jewelry. Look at that. 50% off. Love it. Okay, well, thanks for taking the time to watch my Hobby Lobby little U-Haul. And I will talk to you soon on my videos. Take care. Bye-bye.